Let's create a gorgeous Christmas teacup together. Hi, it's Emilia. Welcome to my series of videos where I take a crafty shape from Stamperia. Today it's a teacup and I turn it into something beautiful. This shape has 2 layers. You can use them both together, or as I will do today, I will use just the top layer, the smaller teacup. There are many different ways to prepare your base for embellishments. You can paint it, you can add texture, you can adhere the paper, but today I will be adhering the rice paper to my base. I have chosen a very pretty paper from Stamperia Gear Up for Christmas collection, and I'm going to use a part of it where you can see few gorgeous houses. To adhere the paper to the base, I'm using rice paper glue. It has that white color, but when it's dry, it's completely transparent. So first I will apply glue to the base and then I will apply paper on top. I will let it dry for few minutes and then I'm going to remove the excess of the paper. For that you can use nail file, you can use any other file or scissors. I find the using file very easy and it works great. In some difficult places you may help yourself with the scissors. When you've got the paper in the shape you want, you can apply another layer of rice paper glue on top. This will seal your paper, and I can just mention here, please be sure to go near the edges to be sure that the paper will stick well on the edges. To add a bit of texture to my background, I'm going to use a Snowflake stencil from Stamperia and the volume paste. If you will be looking for products I'm using today, please check the description box below the video. I'm adding texture only on top of the base, and the volume paste dries quite quick, but definitely you can use the heat gun to speed up the process. It will take just few minutes with the heat gun. Then you can create the composition. I'm choosing the elements from Ephemera pack. These are lovely elements. There are self-adhesive. There are shiny elements as well, so if you don't want them to be shiny, you can cover them with rice paper glue. It will make them matte, but for this project I don't mind. I'm going to choose few elements and create a little composition on the top of the cup where the houses are. I'm going to add more houses to have a layered dimensional composition. I also have two little snowflakes. I created them with air dry clay and mold from Stamperia. I'm going to use one on the top of the houses and the other one on the top of the cup. These are just very light elements. You can adhere them with the craft glue, hot glue, and they add additional texture. They are very interesting elements and I use them quite often in my projects. They are very easy to paint as well. Sometimes you ask me what I do with this project. So for this one, for example, could be a perfect Christmas tree ornament. It's a gorgeous little gift that you can give to someone during Christmas. Instead of the card, you can attach it to a gift. You can add a magnet or a magnetic tape on the other side of the teacup, and it can be a fridge magnet. There are many possibilities, and of course you can decorate it in any style using any collection you want. I'm going to attach a little cute tag to the teacup, to the handle using string. This tag kind of reminds me about the tea bag. I don't know why, but yeah, it will look really cute. And then I'm going to add few chipboard snowflakes to finish off the project. The last step will be to add a lot of splats of white acrylic paint mixed with water, and also I will use contour liner in white to add some dots here and there to create a snow effect. And the last thing I will be doing here is I will use a dry sponge. It's a kitchen sponge cut into small piece, and I'm going to use white gesso and go with it on the edges of the whole project to create that wintry snowy effect. And this will be it for this project. I hope you will love it. It's a super cute and easy project to make. I really would like you to be inspired by that project and try. If you have any of the crafty shapes, try working with them and let me know what you think. Every Tuesday I have a new video with a new shape on my channel, so I really invite you to watch them. I create projects for different occasions and in different styles. Thank you so much for joining me today, and have a lovely creative day. Bye bye!